and let's continue working together for excellence. I know we have to do this. I know we have to do this because we know we have a nation to serve.
I would just like to introduce you to the Program for Relevant and Responsible Postgraduate Research Committee.
One thing that is sure, of course, in all of these is that change happens, or it is happening right now. And I'm really hoping that the change will be you, it will be all of us. So I hope that UPLB, especially with this activity and with the changes coming about with the mentoring system that you have, will be something that I can talk about also in the future and use in our future endeavors.
Another benefit, of course, of the T&E programs is that apart from developing niche areas of expertise and subjects of importance to the Philippines, it's also important then that our expertise in the UK can be used to help develop international type programs in the Philippines. And that's clearly important, as we've heard already, because education is becoming much more international. Student mobility is very, very important. It's important that students gain experiences in many parts of the world, and it's also important that we attack and try to tackle global challenges in research from an international perspective with international partners.
And this system, for that matter, we find this very nice. So we congratulate the framers, the drafters, and the reporter, articulator of this idea. Thank you.